Hello drivers, this is Alex. This video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that annoying VADA sensor beeping all the time when somebody cuts in front of you, or if you start getting closer to other vehicles. So the sensor is right here. Sorry, I got a bunch of bugs. I'm in North Dakota. This is the sensor, and what you do is you buy foil tape and duct tape, black duct tape. So first you put 2 strips of foil tape, and then over those foil tape you put the duct tape, so it doesn't look like you put something on the sensor. And that foil tape blocks the sensor from sending the signal. And after that you start the truck, you start moving. After a few minutes the sensor is gonna try to send the signal, and it won't be able to do that because of the foil, and it'll just show you this message that VADA sensor is blocked. The cruise control will work, but this thing, it won't be beeping, won't be showing a red light, and give you peace of mind.